The ajDBCountRecord function counts the number of records in a database table, satisfying the criteria specified in filter condition. In this video, we would like to show you how to use the AlchemyJ Extended Function, ajDBCountRecord. Before we start, please note that to run this function in Excel, you would need to set up the data source connection in the External Resources worksheet. Please refer to AlchemyJ documentation website for how to set up the data source connection. In this tutorial, we will take the table TB_customer as an example. Currently, there are 5 records in this table. 3 of the customer's gender is M, and 2 of the customer's gender is F. Select any cell and type equal then ajDB. A list of AlchemyJ database functions will be shown. Select ajDBCountRecord. Then open the parameter window by clicking here. The first parameter is table name. We input TB_customer, and it is the only mandatory parameter for this function. Let's keep the filter type and filter condition as blank, so it will count all records from the specified table. Set the last parameter run by function point only to false so that the function will be executed immediately. It is for this training video purpose only. In most cases, this parameter should be omitted or be true to avoid the function to be executed whenever Excel calculates the workbook. Click OK. The result 5 is returned, which matches the number of records in the table. Now, let's try a different filter condition. Let's open the parameter window again. Set the filter type to 0, which means we shall input the filtering condition using the SQL where clause syntax. In the filter condition, we set the condition to gender equal to M. Click OK. The result 3 is returned. For how to use filter condition 1 and 2, please refer to AlchemyJ documentation website filter condition snippet for more details. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.